Guys, on this video I am going to show you a new feature that allows you to add video to offline. Now this is different from download and it is not the same thing as save. This is a different feature that you can actually do on the app. So let's say you are on X and you saw a video you like. If you want to watch this video later and you do not want to download it, all you need to do is to click and hold, and you are going to see an option that says add to offline. Now when you add this to offline, it's going to allow you to watch this video later on. Now let's scroll down a little bit and then do it for another video. Add to offline. Remember, it is not saved. So now when you add a video to offline and then you close the application, reopen it again, let me show you where to locate the video you've added to offline. Click on your menu icon and then you are going to notice where it says offline. Click on that and you are going to see all of the video and the posts that you saved to offline. How about if we do not have internet? Currently my internet is enabled. Let me go ahead and disable that. Now I have disabled it. Close the application, reopen it. Remember, my internet is off. Click on the profile icon or profile image and then click on offline. There is the video again and we can watch the video clearly and smoothly. So for some reason that video is not playing, but this video is playing well. I don't know the reason why this video did not start playing immediately. Probably it is not done saving offline. Okay, it's moving, but I don't know why whenever I click it holds. This, guys, is how to add video offline and it works perfectly well. If you have any question, leave it on the comment section. See you on the next one. Peace.